Today, I'll be sharing with you my ultimate and creamy yogurt recipe that is easy, quick, and very delicious. Whether you're trying to eat healthier or you're just looking to satisfy that sweet tooth craving, this recipe just got you covered. Welcome to my kitchen. This is Oma Cakes and Food, and I am excited to share with you my favorite yogurt recipe. The main ingredient to make a yogurt is milk, and to achieve a creamy yogurt, I'll be making use of a full cream peak milk. This is a full cream peak milk. There are different types of milk you can find in the market, ranging from skimmed milk and low fat milk, but since we want a creamy yogurt, we'll be making use of this. So we'll be measuring out the milk with a measurement cup. I usually love to measure most of my ingredients whenever I am working. So count with me as I put in the 1 cup. I would like you to count with me and then take note of the way I am measuring out this milk. I am not scooping and heaping up the milk to the cup, just the way I leveled up the cup. So it's best for you to get a measurement cup so that whenever you're trying out a recipe, you'll be on the right track. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and comment. Subscription is free. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting an alert when I post a new video. So I got 3.5 cups of milk from that pack of milk I showed you in the beginning of this video. Now look at this cup, it is written the 1 cup, so that was what I used. I'll be using this same cup to measure out my other ingredient for this recipe. So for a cup of milk, I'll be using 2 cups of water. That means as I am making 3.5 cups of milk, my water will be 7 cups. Ensure to break all the lumps as you're mixing the milk and the water together. Do this with your spatula or either with your spoon until you have no more lumps in it. I am done breaking out all the lumps. Then I'll have to pour into my cooking pot, then put this on fire and continue to stir this. The reason I am stirring this continuously is so that the milk won't settle down, or maybe the milk won't get burned down. So I will need to continue to stir this until it starts to boil. Don't forget to continue to stir your milk until it is boiling. You don't need to leave your milk or abandon it to start doing something else. You just need to be there because just for a few minutes. At this point, the milk is boiling. You don't need to overheat your milk, but don't forget to continue to stir this for some time, then allow it to cool down.
Few minutes later.
This is what your milk will be looking like. You have a cloth covering the milk, so gradually use a spatula or a spoon to remove the cloth covering the milk. The next thing I'll be doing is to test or to check how hot the milk is. So I'm using my palm to check how hot it is, or maybe you can use your baby finger to dip into the milk or to feel how hot it is. At this point, if you dip in your baby finger and you feel hot, you need to allow the milk to rest for some time. But if you dip your hand and you feel normal without feeling so hot, but rather you feel warm, then you know your milk is ready to proceed to the next step. The next thing I'll be doing is to introduce my starter to the milk to form a yogurt. There are different ways to make your starter, But today I'll be using a not so regular method to make my starter. That is why you need to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post more video, especially on how to make your starter, you get to see this video. And then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment whatsoever question or whatsoever thought you have about this yogurt making. So I am done scoping out the amount of blend milk I want to use for my yogurt starter. This is what I'll be using to make my yogurt starter. This is called Yogurt. It is a probiotic yogurt starter which helps to ferment the yogurt. Try as much as you can to dissolve this yogurt starter in a different plate. When you see the amount of milk you've scooped the earlier time is not enough for you, please kindly scoop out more milk and put to the plate so that you can be able to dissolve this yogurt starter enough before adding it or mixing it up with the other milk. I'll be keeping these in my oven, then allow it to stay for at least 8 to 10 hours. You can keep yours in any place you find that is warm in your kitchen. Then I turn on my light so that it can continue to be warm while I cover it up with a clean towel. Look at that. Just take a look at our creamy and super delicious yogurt. Ooh, yummy. So go ahead to smoothen out the yogurt until you have a smooth texture. You can use your blender, hand mix, in fact whatever tool you find around you to smoothen out your yogurt. I am using my spoon to smoothen out my own, so whatever that is good for you works for you. After smoothing out this yogurt, you can store in your fridge, then consume at any time you're ready. You can use this for your parfait and smoothie. Thank you for watching up to this time, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.